Hi everybody, welcome to Gaga's Kitchen today. Today we're going to make a cauliflower salad. And the funny thing is, you make it exactly like you would your potato salad, except for the potatoes you're using cauliflower. And it is very good. Right now I'm just cutting it up. And you want your cauliflower to be in smaller pieces than one of the florets. This, it really should be in pieces about this big. I'm sure that if you like potato salad, you'll love this. And a lot of people are on diets and they can use low-fat mayonnaise, and the rest of it's just plain. You've got eggs, cheese, onions, pimentos, so as you see. Now here's another thing, you only cook your cauliflower 1 minute because it takes that raw edge off of it, and it makes it better actually. I love cauliflower any way you cook it. Okay, now I've got my cauliflower all cut up, and I'm going to put it in boiling water for exactly a minute. Okay, I'm going to drain my cauliflower. I'm also steaming up my glasses. Okay, we're ready to go. I'm just draining. I wanted to drain it, make sure I got all the water off of it. Lots of pepper to start. And maybe we'll get through too. And my favorite thing right now for salads is this Perfect Pitch Salad Superior. It's got everything in here that you would normally put in a salad. It's got paprika, poppy seed, celery seed, black pepper, red pepper, Romano cheese, garlic, salt. You get the picture. And it is just wonderful. I just got through using one, and I'm got me the bigger size this time. Okay. First of all, we'll put our celery, our onions, and our pickles. Strangely, pickles. Now I'm putting some pimentos in it. Now the pickles were sweet pickles. I prefer sweet pickles. You may like dill pickles. That's one of those things, it's up to you. And for potato salad, we also have eggs. Okay, there's the eggs. And I'm just adding a little bit of cheese I like cheese. Okay, now I'm adding my Hellmann's. I use Hellmann's. I know a lot of you use Kraft or Duke. It's, again, your preference. And I'm telling you, it looks so much like potato salad. It's unbelievable. I'm going to taste it, see if it needs any salt. Well, of course it does. And I always put a little bit of mustard in mine. And since we're sticking with what we use in potato salad, we'll just add it there. I guess I use 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. I'll give that a good. Now, I'm going to taste it. I'm telling you, that really is wonderful. Mine still needs a little bit more salt, but you have to salt to taste. But I would take this proudly to anywhere, and we're going to have a little party soon with sandwiches, and I'm taking this because that truly is wonderful. Well, it's a beautiful day. We've enjoyed this. I'm going to make it again when I need to. And remember the joy this week. See you soon.